I'm talking to the criticizers, the rumor mongers, the crucifiers, the people that gotta talk junk about you, right? Junk about your family and your business and look.
How's it going, guys? That's right. It's your Power Crusader, and I'm back with another exciting video. Today's video is extra special. It's a retort to Mike's video talking about haters. Now, when I watched that video, I was a little confused. Mike, who are you referring to? Who are these haters? Is it your customers who are saying that they were scammed by you?
You're a grown-ass man acting like a little child, lying to everybody.
Are they the haters, or is it your employees, the ex-employees that are exposing you from the inside?
There's a lot of things out there that I would like to come to light so that everyone can see that this is a gimmick. Mike knows exactly what he's doing. They have a sales meeting every single morning telling you guys, hey, don't listen to the customers. The customers lie. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a good thing. People are getting results. And we know that that's not true.
Are they the haters? I'm confused. I don't know who you're talking, who you're referring to. And I mean, if it's me, then I definitely have some things I'd like to say to set the record straight. First of all, Mike's clearly upset that his phone call volume has gone down substantially. Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter because a lot of his employees walked out, so they wouldn't even be there to answer the phones if they were ringing. So, but Mike is clearly mad that he's just not making the money he was used to. And I'm hearing that he's actually losing money every day because he's not able to scam people because of the videos that have been put out on YouTube. Now, this is all I can say, as far as this is concerned. When I see Mike talking about haters and everything, Mike, you don't have haters. This isn't like people that are accusing you of using fake weights on Instagram. These are people that are accusing you of taking their money and not making good on what you said you were going to do. Similar to what happened before, and also, who knows? I don't know exactly what you got in trouble with the law as far as the fraud that, is public record, says fraud engages with victim. Communicates with victim, you got the fraud charge that's on you from 2011. I don't know what that's in regards to, but I know that this is not your first offense. And I think what's happening now is finally your credibility, even though all the bullshit that you spin on a day-to-day basis with everybody, and you've been spinning it for year in and year out, now because of social media and everything, you can't unspin this bullshit. You have a dirty name now. You have a bad name. You're known as a liar. You're not respected, and no one trusts you. So now you're in the situation you're in, you're gonna try to blame the other people, right? Blame the people that exposed you, right? Blame the people, your victims that you took their money and that are pissed off at you and are making videos. Blame them for your failures and your inability to be successful. Buddy, successful people don't make excuses. Why are you sitting there acting like boo-hoo-hoo, oh, people are hating on you. Oh, people are hating on me. And then I love how you go in with the Grant Cardone, verbatim thing. What did you do, get on the phone? Did it go like this? Mike, haters are gonna hate, Mike. You gotta tell them to 10x it. You gotta tell them it's like throwing shit up against the ceiling, Mike. Did the phone call go like that? Is that what I think it did? But all I can say is that quit making excuses for yourself. Don't cry to me that your phone ain't ringing and you ain't making money and you're not as successful as you want to be. I'm happy as shit with my life. Are you nuts? I'm loved. I'm respected. I mean, look at my comment section. Thank you, Crusader. Thank you for helping me see what this guy was and not have me lose my money to him. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I owe you big time, man. Dude, people love me. I love being the Crusader. How about you, Mike? Do you get shit like that in your comments? Oh, that's right. Your comments are all shut off and edited, right? Buddy, let me tell you something. You can go ahead and try to spin your bullshit all you want. You can try to go and throw ads everywhere, blast emails and all the crap and just keep talking, keep fast talking. But you're gonna be like a dog barking his brains out in a neighborhood because ain't no one gonna be listening to you because the cat's out of the bag, so to speak. Everybody, has realized what you're about and they don't trust you. So now you gotta live with the mistakes you made. You've gotta live with the actions that you did. And, sorry, sometimes you don't get a third chance because this wouldn't be your second chance. This would be like your fifth chance. So when it comes to crying about people hating on you, buddy, get used to it because that shit sandwich is something you're going to have to eat for the rest of your life. And not only are people that are potential customers of yours, but I'm sure your next door neighbor is seeing the videos that are being made about you, and the customers that are making the videos about you, and the ex-employees that are making the videos about you. Are we all crazy? Are we all on this conspiracy to get you? Yeah, right. As far as some of the things that have come about, it's not like it's not true. Mike, are you going to lie and say that you're not in that building? Are you going to lie and say that do you still say that elite deletions, that you have nothing to do with elite deletions? Are you going to say that? I challenge you, but you won't answer because you're a coward, because cowards lie. Nobody trusts a coward. Nobody wants to be around a coward. You can't even pay people to be around your ass. Your freaking employees